Welcome back to Nano Learning. In this video, we will explore potential energy. Just by hearing the word potential in our minds, we can imagine something having the energy to do something. So, let's see the real meaning of potential energy. Potential energy is a stored energy inside an object, meaning that the object is not moving, but it has that energy stored. In order to have any potential energy, the object must have a height. For example, a ball sitting at the edge of a box or something. Well, before it falls and it is leaning on the item, it has potential energy. Now, you may hear the word gravitational potential energy, and don't worry, they're the exact same. Let's take a look at the difference between potential and kinetic energy. So clearly in the image, we can see that the ball has potential energy when it is in the hand of the kid, but when it's dropped, it starts to have kinetic energy. Basically, from potential, you can go to kinetic. Kinetic energy is the energy of the object in motion. So, when the object is in motion, it's kinetic, but when it's still or it's on a height, it has potential energy. Now, so you remember when I said the object is leaning on something for potential energy? Well, that's just a way to remember it. But actually, whenever an object has height, but is not in motion, it has potential energy. So, in the next video, we will learn about calculating our kinetic energy. So see you until then.